The Himalayan nation of Nepal, which is registering a record rise in its COVID load case every day, is staring at a possible lockdown in coming times. Kathmandu had imposed strict restrictions in the immediate aftermath of the global outbreak of the pandemic, but is now finding it hard to contain the spread owing to multiple reasons. The weak health system is overwhelmed and people have grown desperate. While some do not have an option but to move out to earn living, others have still not realized the gravity of the threat virus poses to humanity. Result: cases surging rapidly.
China's neighbor Nepal, 65 times smaller its size with 45 times less population, has surpassed it in the number of total COVID cases it has reported so far. And now, with situation gradually going out of control in a weak and overwhelmed healthcare system of the country, the government might impose a fresh lockdown. Earlier, to curb the spread of the virus, the Himalayan nation had enforced a nationwide lockdown in March that put its 30 million citizens restricted to their homes, halting all economic operations. People do not want to witness such times once again, as they say their personal and professional lives were deeply affected in those months. They have still not recovered the losses they suffered in those times.
अब यसको लागि चाहिँ सरकारले चाहिँ सकेसम्म चाहिँ तपाईको कस्तो भने अब लकडाउनले त धेरै असर परेको नै छ हैन। अब त्यसको अलावा चाहिँ हामीले आफै सुरक्षित भएर अब भनौं न दूरी कायम गरेर भिडभाडमा धेरै नगएर मास्कहरु लगाएर अनि आफू चाहिँ सुरक्षित रहेर त्यो गरे भने चाहिँ हुन्छ, त्यसमा चाहिँ कन्ट्रोल ल्याउन सकिन्छ। नभएर यो लकडाउन गर्यो यताउति गर्यो भने त फेरि जनताहरु त फेरि त्यही पुरानै स्थितिमा फर्किन फेरि बाध्य हुन्छ। त्यही भएर गाह्रो नै हुन्छ। लकडाउनको चाहिँ एकदमै मार पर्छ लकडाउनले चाहिँ।
Experts say that it was the grave need of resumption of economic activities that once again made the entire nation more vulnerable to the disease. While some are at risk due to their indispensable professional commitments, others few have been blatantly irresponsible. Health experts say that there are many in the country who have still not realized the threat posed by the pandemic that has already claimed more than 1 million people world over. While the country was recording the cases in dozens during lockdown, the daily tally touches thousands now. Everybody from a common man to PM office is affected. 3 advisors to Nepal's Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli have been tested positive. Many across the country believe that strict adherence to the social distancing norms and masks and sanitizers can keep corona at bay, and things might improve with time.
अब जस्तै यस्तो छ हाम्रो लकडाउन पनि लामै समयसम्म रह्यो हैन, तर लकडाउन मात्र पनि एउटा समाधान होइन। मान्छे आफैमा सचेत हुनुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ। जस्तो सोशल डिस्टेन्सिङको कुरा छ, सैनिटाइजेसनको कुरा छ हैन। अब हामीले एकदम भिड यहाँ देखिरहेका छौं, मान्छेहरु कोही त अब मास्क नलाइकन पनि हिडिरहनु भएको छ। गभर्नमेन्टको स्टेप एकातिर छ भने मान्छे आफैमा पनि सचेत हुँदा चाहिँ यो अलिकति कन्ट्रोल हुन्थ्यो कि जस्तो मलाई लाग्छ।
Meanwhile, Russia's sovereign wealth fund has agreed to supply 25 million doses of its potential COVID-19 vaccine to Nepal. The Russian Direct Investment Fund has struck multiple Sputnik V vaccine supply deals abroad, including to supply 100 million doses to India, where it also expects to hold clinical trials. Neighbouring India has also supported Nepal by sending tons of medicines and medical equipments. China, on the other side, which calls itself an ally of Nepal, has not been committed enough in lending a helping hand. Else, countries like Nepal, that are very small in size and population, could have been saved by those who are the originator of the virus and have contained it under 100,000 cases.